Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something special for you. We're going to show you how to cartoon yourself in Canva. If you've ever wanted to add a fun, cartoonish twist to your social media profile, you're in the right place. So let's get started. First things first, let's create a new design. Now, I already have the profile photo I want to cartoonify, so I'll head over to the Upload section and insert it into our project. To use the Prisma tool, which is a game changer for cartoonifying your photos, we need to switch back to the old photo editor. Here's how you do it. Duplicate your photo, select the one you want to cartoonify, click Edit Photo, scroll all the way down, and click on Click here to revert to the old editor. Simple, right? Now that we're in the old editor, click Edit Image, go to the Search Effects bar, type Prisma, and select the top icon. There are many options, but for this photo, I'll go with Kick Scooter. It gives that perfect cartoon effect we're aiming for. Now let's add the shadow. You can see. And simply watch it. To make your cartoon profile photo even cooler, let's remove the background. Click Background Remover, but be careful not to choose the new icon. We want the old one to avoid conflicts. Now, we've got our cartoon with a transparent background. Time to put the finishing touches. I want to showcase my cartoon in a cool frame, so I'll head over to Canva Elements, search for frames, and pick the one I like. Drag your image on top of the frame, and voila, you've transformed your look. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, show us some love by liking this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Take care, and see you in the next video.